In '46 we moved out here to Beaumont to start a little business of our own. They built the freeway through in '62. Everything we had's now lost and gone. I see them in the distance from my window. The faces in the cars look straight ahead. They roll on by too loud for comfort, but too far away to rent a motel bed. So if you're passing on your way from Palm Springs to LA, give a wave to good old Dave. Say hello to Progress and goodbye to the Moonlight Motor Inn. Mother's sleeping in the back room. TV shows are the only life she had. Our son's now a captain in the Air Force, but he can't find the time to ride his proud old dad. And our daughter wants to leave the place at 18 and run away with the job as Beaumont man. Hitchhike out of California and make a life in the Rocky Mountain land. So if you're passing on your way from Palm Springs to LA, give a wave to good old Dave. Say hello to Progress and goodbye to the Moonlight Motor Inn. The sun comes up behind the freeway and sets down by the dried-up swimming pool. Can't make the payments on the mortgage, can't turn the red ink in the blue. The weeds are growing through the gravel, blacktop's cracked and partly washed away, and our neon sign points in the wrong direction. The Moonlight Motor Inn goes down today. So if you're passing on your way from Palm Springs to LA, give a wave to good old Dave. Say hello to Progress and goodbye to the Moonlight Motor Inn. Give a wave to good old Dave. Say hello to Progress and goodbye to the Moonlight Motor Inn.
You